To every woman watching this right now, this is your reminder. You're stronger than you think, wiser than you believe, and more capable than you ever imagined. Think back to those moments when life felt impossible, when you doubted your own strength, yet you chose to stand tall. That was not weakness, that was power. Each step you have taken, each choice you have made proves your courage. This world may try to put labels on you to define what you can or cannot be, but your spirit is beyond any label, beyond any box. Today is not just another day. It is your proof that you are still here, still fighting, still rising, and that makes you limitless. From the very beginning, you carried the strength of generations before you. The women who fought, who struggled, who survived, their courage runs through their veins. Think of challenges you have already faced, times when you felt broken, yet chose to rise again. That is resilience. You may have scars, but scars are not signs of weakness. They are medals of survival, proof that you endured and came out stronger. Every woman carries a story of pain, of growth, of courage. And those stories remind us that no matter how many times life pushes us down, we have the strength to rise again and again. You're not fragile, you're unshakable. You are resilient beyond measure. History has always whispered you can't, but women have always answered with a watch me. Every barrier broken was once a wall that someone said was impossible to climb, and yet women climbed it. They led nations, invented, created, raised voices that shook the world. Today, you carry the same fire within you. Whatever dream you have, whatever goal you set, it matters. You're not here to fit into a box someone else built. You're here to break it, to rebuild it, to show the world what is possible when women dares to rise. So, the next time doubt creeps in, remember every achievement in history was once called impossible until women made it possible. Your worth is not defined by someone's opinion, not by numbers on scale, not by grades, not by likes or comments on social media. Your worth has always been within you. It is in your kindness, your intelligence, your strength, your laughter, your dreams. It is in the way you rise after being knocked down. You are enough, more than enough. And the day you truly believe this, nothing can stop you. You don't need permission to shine. You don't need validation to dream. The only approval you need is your own. Stand in front of the mirror and remind yourself, I am valuable, I am worthy, I am enough. Life will test you. It will place storms in your path, moments where everything feels heavy, days where you wonder if you can go on, but every storm you have faced has shaped you into who you are today. You are not weak because you struggle. You are strong because you continue despite the struggle. Think of diamonds. They're formed under immense pressure, transformed into something rare and unbreakable. You too are becoming a diamond. The struggles you endure are not meant to destroy you. They are shaping you, refining you, preparing you for greater things. So when the storms rages, remember it will pass. The skies will clear and you will rise brighter than ever. Your dreams are not too big. Your goals are not too far. Do not shrink yourself to make others comfortable. Do not silence your vision to keep others happy. Dream boldly, Dream unapologetically. Whether it's building a business, raising a family, writing a book, traveling the world, or changing lives, your dreams are valid. They are powerful and they belong to you. Remember, every great achievement started with a dream that someone dared to chase. And and your dreams deserve the same chance. So write them down, chase them daily. Don't be afraid to fail because even failure brings you closer to success. The only true failure is never trying at all. So when you rise, you don't rise alone. You light the path for others who are still finding their way. Every action you take shows another woman that she too can raise, that she too can lead. Women are not just dreamers, they are leaders, they are teachers, healers, innovators, change makers. And leadership doesn't always mean titles or powers. Sometimes it means kindness. Sometimes it means courage. Sometimes it means lifting someone up when they are about to fall. That is the beauty of women. We lift as we climb. We don't just build ourselves, we build for generations to come. So, courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is moving forward even when fear whispers don't. Every step of you take forward your dream in an act of courage. The first step may feel heavy, it may feel uncertain, but it is also the most powerful. Each small step builds into something unstoppable. Remember, no great journey begins with perfect confidence, it begins with action. Even the smallest step matters, even the tiniest progress is progress. So do not wait for the perfect time, the perfect plan, or the perfect moment. Start today, start now. Be brave enough to take that one step because courage will carry you further than fear ever could. Pause for a moment, look at how far you have already come, the battles you have fought, the storms you have survived, the mountains you have climbed, they all led you here. Be proud of yourself, celebrate your journey. Gratitude is power. It turns we have into enough. And self love is strength. It reminds us that we are worthy not because of what we achieve, but simply because we exist. Love yourself the way you could. Love someone you deeply care about. Be kind to yourself. Forgive yourself. Nurture yourself because the longest relationship you will have is with yourself. Make it the most beautiful one. To every woman listening right now, this is your time. Stand tall, speak truth, dream without apology, chase without fear, lead without hesitation. Do not dim your light to make others comfortable. Do not silence your voice because others are afraid of its power. The world needs your brilliance. The world needs your courage. The world needs your vision. And most importantly, the world needs you. So rise. Rise above doubt. Rise above fear. Rise into the woman you are always meant to be. Powerful, ambitious, unstoppable. This is your moment. This is your story. And it begins today. This is your time. Stand tall, speak your truth. The world needs you. Thank you.